Assalamu alaikum everyone. Welcome to my class. Today we'll discuss about the definition of urban geography. When we're talking about urban geography, the first things comes into our mind. What is urban? Actually, urban area or urban place is a dense built-up area where population density is quite high and economic activities secondary and tertiary, actually non-agricultural activities, a functional character. And the term urban refers to town or cities having merged secondary and tertiary functions along with a municipality or notified area committee. It concerns with the geography of towns, their situation, pattern, layout, housing, and hierarchical organization of population, concentration, and service areas. Actually, urban geography is the study of urban places with reference to their geographical environment. Study of site, evolution, morphology, spatial pattern and classification of towns. Urban geography is that branch of science which deals with the study of urban areas in terms of concentrations, infrastructure, economy and environmental impacts. Actually, it's the subdiscipline of geography. Actually, we know the two geographical branches. First one is physical geography and second one is human geography. And urban geography is the subdiscipline of the larger field of human geography. Actually, it includes the site, revelation, pattern and classification of towns. Urban geography is also concerned with spatial distribution of towns and cities and the linkage between them, that means the system of cities. Here in this figure we can see the linkage within cities, and here big cities linkage with another small cities and they are all always interconnected. So we can say that the linkage between them, and that means the system of cities. Actually, urban geography is the study of town and cities in other words, urban place. In geographical perspective, it deals with how the cities evolve, grow, and works as service centers for the surroundings areas. Actually, urban geography studies the distributional pattern of urban centers. UNO defines a permanent settlement with a minimum population of 20,000 as an urban place. 20,000, that is called urban place. And definition of urban geography, actually urban geography seeks to explain the distribution of town and cities and the socio-spatial similarities and contrasts that exist between and within them. Actually, the similarities and their differences, that also the study of urban geography. Urban area, city, distribution of town, city, classification of town and city, socio-spatial similarities and dissimilarities, cities and human interaction and economic activities, all are the part of urban geography. Land use of cities and migration, population density distribution, economic base, cultural form of way of life, that is called urbanism. It's the characteristics of urban life. Development of cities, spatial inequalities, environmental, economy, population, transportation, their communication system, all are the parts of urban geography. Gradually, we'll discuss about the different perspective, their nature, approaches of urban geography, and today just I'll discuss about the definition of urban geography. Actually, the meaning of urban geography, the field and their meaning. Actually, urban geography is the study of the city directing the neighboring region. That's all for today. Thank you.